Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today I am going to introduce you to the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner, a must-have car accessory for anyone who takes pride in keeping their vehicle clean and tidy. This compact, lightweight, and powerful handheld vacuum is designed to tackle any mess, from dust and crumbs to pet hair and food spills. With its strong suction and cyclonic force, the 106W motor will make quick work of any dirt or debris in your car, truck, or even your RV. Camper. The car cleaning kit comes with 3 attachments for detailing: a carry bag, filter brush, and spare heap of filter, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves to keep their car looking its best. Don't let a dead battery stop you from keeping your car clean. This car vacuum cleaner can be powered by the 12V outlet, ensuring that you always have the power you need to get the job done. So, if you're tired of lugging around a bulky vacuum or struggling to clean hard-to-reach areas in your car, it's time to invest in the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing car accessory today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations for car enthusiasts like you. Thanks for watching.